Hello YouTube family, thanks for coming back to my channel, All Things Ito. So glad to have you back. I wanted to share this video of myself cooking this Thanksgiving, and I made the perfect turkey. This Thanksgiving turkey was amazing. I am normally not like a turkey fan. Normally we do pernil, chicken, but it's my second time making turkey. I tried it last year and it was so-so. But this year I combined Samin Nosrat from the New York Times, Herbed Buttermilk Brine, and then I combined Gordon Ramsay's Herbed Butter, and it was so juicy and so delicious. So in this video, I'm gonna share the tips and tricks to the perfect turkey, and also a quick dessert. I made a quick, easy berry cobbler and arroz con gandules. I have another recipe here for arroz con gandules, and I'll link it below. But this was also done on Thanksgiving, and I just wanted to show a quick recap of how to make arroz con gandules. So thanks for tuning in, and hope you enjoy the recipes. And any comments or questions, leave them down below. I love interacting with you, and if you like this video and want more, please subscribe. We are going to attempt to spatchcock the turkey, which means removing the spine of the bird. These scissors, okay, got it. Yeesh, I could just hear like the crunching of the spine. Show it from this angle, mommy. Like from my point of view. This way, come here. This side. So we're gonna cut the spine. Eesh. Supposed to start from both sides and then reach the middle. Oh my god. And this bird is what, 15.5 pounds? So it's not that huge. I just can't get over that sound.
Ew. Its inside is disgusting.
Looks kind of gross.
Reminds me of human lungs.
Ouch. And these scissors are pretty new. I don't know. I think I'm going to try a knife. A serrated knife. Those scissors are not working. If any of you saw the original video with Samin, she struggles so much with those kitchen shears, and I had the best luck with this little steak knife. Had serrated edges, and it was the only way I was gonna get the spine off this turkey. So definitely a big tip. You don't have to use kitchen shears if there's a better way. So this worked. Now that we finally removed the spine, we are ready to do our brine. It was the easiest part of this recipe. It's just a mixture of buttermilk with some salt, and the amount of salt depends on the weight of the bird that you have. So I will link Samin's recipe below, and that will give you your guideline. So finally, it's Thanksgiving, our big day, and we are gonna bake our turkey, and we're also gonna make the other recipes. So in Samin's original recipe, she only removes the turkey from the brine and puts it in the oven. But you know me, I gotta have some flavor, and I really liked Gordon Ramsay's Herbed Butter. There's something about lemon and garlic and parsley. That combination of flavors is amazing. I have made this herb butter on the Thanksgiving turkey last year, but my turkey wasn't that juicy. So that's why I'm combining Samin's brine and then Gordon Ramsay's herb butter. The herb butter I have also used on fish. This is amazing, guys. On tilapia or shrimp, you will obviously not use as much herb butter, but it is such a great combination of flavors. Once I make the herb butter, I'm going to use this to put it under the skin of the turkey, around the breast, and also all over the bird. On the top and the bottom, everywhere. You're going to slather this flavor bomb all over your turkey, and it's gonna be delicious. Our turkey has been all slathered up with our herbed butter, and now it's ready to roast in the oven. I preheated the oven at 400 degrees, and I also cooked the spine that we removed and all the innards of the turkey because my family likes to eat this. Just like Samin's video, I checked my turkey after about 80 minutes, and I decided to cover it with foil and lowered the heat to 375 to prevent browning. After about 1 hour later, my turkey was ready when the thermometer was at 165 at the thigh and 150 at the breast. I removed the turkey from the oven at this time and let it rest. When it's resting, the turkey will come up to a higher temperature and it will be safe to eat. Because I had so much going on with this turkey recipe, I decided to make something super easy for dessert. I used the Louisiana Cobbler mix and added oat milk, which is what I had. And like I said, this took 5 minutes to assemble and it was so delicious. I served it with vanilla ice cream and it's just delicious. So you add the milk, whatever kind of milk is fine, and you add the milk to the mix, put it into the pan with the melted butter, and then add the fruit of your choice. I use this mixture of frozen berries that I got at Walmart, and I added 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can adjust the sugar to your liking. You can use a different type of sweetener. I just used plain white sugar and cornstarch. The cornstarch will thicken the fruit, and you're done. You put this in the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes, and it's so delicious. And I've never made this Louisiana Cobbler mix, but it was delicious. Now we have for our final dish the arroz con gandules that my family loves me to make. When there's a family get together, we always eat some kind of rice, and they always tell me that I make the best arroz con gandules. So I have another video that has the full recipe and details, but I just did like a quick taping of this easy to make rice with pigeon peas. It's very Caribbean. We love it in the Dominican Republic where I'm from, and also it's very popular with Puerto Ricans. Everybody has their own little twist, and this is my very easy and simple way to make arroz con gandules. So I am going to put a link to my other recipe that I have on YouTube with a very detailed explanation of how to make the rice. But again, here is a quick recap of this yummy dish. I hope you will give it a try. So I let the rice cook with the peas, and once the rice has absorbed about 80% of the water, I put the lid on it, and then about 20 minutes later, our rice is nice and fluffy and it's ready to eat. Thank you so much for joining me on my Thanksgiving cooking day. I made tons of food, and then my family brought some more food, and this is a quick recap of all the food that we had on that day in 2020, which was a very difficult year, but it was a great time for our family to come together. Not all of the family, but the few of us that were there had a lot of good food and a lot to be thankful for. So thanks for tuning in, and if you got to the end, thank you so much for your support.